Okay, if you are in a situation where your fridge is basically running, but for some strange reasons you can't hear your fan from the freezer, okay, just a normal fridge. Apparently this one doesn't have the brand name on it, but I'm pretty sure it's a Whirlpool fridge. So anyway, my point is, this fridge, the problem that I can imagine with this fridge, after I done my diagnostic and test every thing that I could possibly think of, came to find out the fridge was actually freezing. The freezer itself, when I first opened it, was cold, ice built up and everything. But the fan, which is back here, you gotta take the cover off. And I realized I could not hear the fan, and neither my compressor fan in the back of the fridge. None of them was actually running. Okay, so my compressor fan, let me just show you, which back here, okay, I found the fan blade itself was just laying here. And don't ask me how that happened, I have no idea. Okay, so apparently, somehow, and I'm not saying anybody came back here and then, took the fan blades off, because I had to take that cover from back here, because the cover was just like this. So there's a few screws to take the cover off. But make a long story short, I found the blade was just sitting here. So apparently, I don't know, because of the blade came off, it kind of stopped the compressor, but the compressor itself was running because we had ice buildup on top of the freezer. But our fan freezer was stuck with ice. So, with all that being said, there was ice building up in the back, okay? And somehow this area, which is a top freezer, was cold because there was ice built up, so therefore the compressor was actually doing its job, even though the fan for the compressor was actually off. But the bottom of the refrigerator was not getting any cool air. Okay, so anyway, what I did, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws that you have to take off, and that's them right here. Okay. But before you take the screws off, this thing comes with little caps. Okay, that's before you gotta take the caps off and take the screws out after that. So after you're done that, then you gotta make sure that you gotta take that screws off and then put that in there and take everything out. Okay. So what I had to do, you see how the ice is actually melting. Okay, we had ice all over here, and ice was everywhere, so I cleaned up a little bit, and I managed to make the blade itself able to spin back. Okay, after I done that, fixed the fan blade in the back of the compressor, and turn it on. Then I'm gonna show you again. Hang on. I'll just plug it in. So now we're gonna turn it on. So now we got the fan is spinning. Okay. So now I'm going to show you the fan blade in the back of the compressor. And this is in the back of it. Okay, you can hear the compressor is working and the fan is running. A lot of time you would have a problem like that because what they did when I came to the room, the first thing I realized were the temperatures for the thermostat fridge was actually on max. And there's so many food at the bottom of the fridge. I don't want to show you because that's the people privacy. So it's packed up. So with all this, food and items in that small compartment, the fridge, and accumulation and everything, and we had so many food up here. So there was a small amount of air, okay, that was going through those vents. But that's where the air had to go in the bottom of the fridge. And there's one right here. So in there, as the fan is spinning and the ice is actually building up, all this coil right there is actually freezing up, and the fan is blowing cool air at the bottom of the fridge to hit the bottom of the fridge compartment with a normal temperature.